enthusiast or just looking to spice up your undergarment collection, the red bra is a must-have item. Firstly, let's talk about the color. Red is the color of passion, desire and love, making it the perfect choice for a lingerie item. The vibrant hue instantly catches the eye and adds a touch of excitement to any outfit. But the beauty of the red bra goes beyond its color. The soft, supportive cups provide comfort and a gentle lift, while the adjustable straps ensure a perfect fit for any body type. It's a piece of lingerie that not only looks good but also feels good. In addition, the red bra comes in a variety of styles and designs, from delicate lace and embroidery to bold and daring cuts. Whether you prefer a classic look or a more modern style, there's a red bra out there for everyone. And let's not forget the confidence boost that comes with wearing a red bra. It's a piece of lingerie that exudes confidence and sexiness, making you feel empowered and alluring. Whether you're wearing it for yourself or someone special, the red bra is sure to make you feel your best. So, whether you're looking to add a pop of color to your lingerie collection, or simply feel more confident and empowered, the red bra is a must-have. It's a piece of lingerie that not only looks beautiful, but also makes you feel beautiful.